Hello all, welcome to Value Trades channel. Let us today try to understand if an individual was perfectly doing nothing apart from that previous day high break strategy for the entire month of February. Let us try understanding what could be his final outcome. Okay, so I'm starting it from here, wherein on 7th of February, as you can see, that right from February 1st, there was the high was not broken, and the next day the high was not broken, and even on this day the previous day high was not broken, and even on this day the previous high was not broken. But it happened on this day, which happened on the February 10th, and this is a chart of 49,000 put. So let us see. Once it got broken at a price of 339, okay, the risk that was associated was 78 rupees. Okay, so the risk that was associated was 78 rupees, and the target that was available was the next high, which was at 639, right? So we would have took the trade, and yes, eventually it would have hit our stop loss, wherein we would have took the stop loss of 78 rupees on the first occasion. Okay, now let's jump to the next one. This is the second occasion which it has given on the next day, wherein after breaking the previous day high at a price of 392, okay, the risk to reward was very little on this particular candle. Okay, so we could have easily captured, as I have already mentioned here, 250 points, which was a target, right? There was no other high that was already established, so 250 points could have been easily captured, and then which happened on the 11th of February. Now moving further, it again gave us an opportunity. It did not give us an opportunity on this day because the high was here, but on the 14th of February, they did come an opportunity wherein you could see very clearly the high, which was here at 466, was broken, and the risk was limited. This to reward was also justifying because this was the next available target, right? So in that scenario, wherein we could have captured easily 175 points even if had you considered this high. In fact, on the next day, if you had carried the position, it would have given you much more as well. Okay, so this is a second opportunity that it gave us. And now the next day, यहाँ पे the previous day high was not broken, and even on this day the previous day high was not broken. On this day the previous day high was not broken, but on this particular day, okay, the previous day high got broken, wherein the previous day high was at this price, which was at 367 rupees. Once this was broken, there would have been a target of at least 600, and then the next target that would have been here was 650, and the next target was at 795. So have you had made your position here, having a stop loss here, and you would have attained this 427 profit on the next day, right? So in total, how many opportunities were created? There were 4 opportunities that were created, of which there was 1 stop loss, the other 3 were profitable. Okay, and now let's move to the next chart. Yeah, this chart is 51,000 call, of which there was only 1 opportunity that was created with a very minimal risk and a reward of 302 points. So we could have captured this 302 points. And remember, these are all day level candles. Because of the time constraint, I have picked up at a day level to show it to you easily. And so on the next day, it did not break the previous day high, not did this day, nor this day, and no other day next. It broke the previous day high. Though it happened here, but the risk to reward was not justifying. The risk was high vis-a-vis to the reward that was available. And it did not happen this day, nor this day. So there was absolutely no trade that was available on any other given day. Okay, so the only chance that was available was here, and which happened to be 302 points. Now let us calculate the total amount of total opportunities that were created were 5, of which 4 were successful and 1 came out with a stop loss. Okay, on 1 occasion we made a stop loss. Now let us try calculating the total points that we could have achieved have we had sincerely, diligently followed this strategy. So let us calculate. The first profit that we made was 250 rupees, and then add 175 rupees over here, and then add 427 that was made here, of which there was a stop loss of 78 rupees that has to be taken out, minus 78 rupees. Now here on this chart there was one opportunity that it gave us, which gave us with a profit of 302 rupees. So let us add 302 rupees plus 302, which is in total we would have been able to capture 101,076 points. So as the lot size is 30, let's multiply it by 30. So the total, even if you are doing it with one lot, you could have happily captured 32,000 on a monthly basis. Have you had simply followed this strategy? Now let us see into our Telegram group that have we had actually made that profit. So here is a Telegram group wherein you could see the profit of every day, wherein 2,100 and then again 1,500, 5,100, 9,000 rupees, and then 2,700 rupees, and 6,000, 6,000 and 7,500 respectively, and a loss of 1,500, and a 3,000 rupees profit, 7,500 rupees profit, 4,200 rupees profit. So we have shared everything on our Telegram group, and let's look at the final outcome. So this is a final wherein we could make a profit of 39,000 rupees on a single lot, which merely comes only from one strategy, which contributed to more than 32,000 of the profit. The other 7,000 we have captured it from the Nifty as well. So this is a very simple strategy, and I believe that anyone and everyone can easily follow this. And in the next video, upcoming video, I will be sharing the possibility that we will be able to see for the tomorrow. I hope you all like this video. Kindly share this video with your friends and have a great day. Thank you so much.